What's up guys, How2Toby here, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the next step of how to use a hoverboard. This week we are focusing on stopping and getting off. Let's get on with the instructions.
Number 1, stopping.
It's quite easy because all you have to do is stand bolt upright and there you have it, you've stopped.
Number 2, getting off. Get off, you need to make sure you're still and steady, then bring a foot slowly onto the ground and then the other. And there you have it, you have dismantled your hoverboard. Now for the dance move.
This time it's called the 1 foot hoverboard.
When you're doing this, I would like you to have someone holding on to you, because even I find this hard and I'm really good at hoverboarding. To do the 1 foot hoverboard, you need to stand on 1 foot. And yeah, you can also stand on 1 foot and go like do 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 do. Yeah, time I'm out.